use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Wow. My name's Jacob. I do videos on YouTube. Could you tell me what you have in here real quick?
Alright. Got 4 ZV5 18s on 2 turn-out bass 15Ks. Got 6 PRV Alto 10s on 2 MD8Ks. 4 2-inch horns on a 1200 by 4 turn. And 4 tweeters 800 by 4 turn.
Yukon? I got you from right there. All right, Yukon.
Yes, sir.
All right. Have you metered it yet?
No. Actually, I just got it back playing. I blew a sub at Ruckus and kind of set back from it.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah. Actually, I'm thinking about going more, man. I'm thinking about taking it to 6 in a 6 total. Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah. Actually, it's open.
It's open? All right. Dude, that is sweet. Oh. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of the YUKONG bass system. We're going to be getting a 2-song bass demo from him. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. He did a really good job showcasing it. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021. Getting to upload it and really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Really clean install. I like the way he has his speakers installed on his door pod. Custom, of course, to make it like that. And the way he has his amplifier rack kind of looks like a floating amplifier rack. So all the amplifiers have a mounting point that are not on the box but actually floating in the air with metal brackets to hold it up. Shows you a close-up earlier. Hopefully that helped. And on the back he has inverted subs. So question of the day, do you invert your subwoofers or do you mount them regular? I've always noticed prefab boxes in specific, people invert them in, and pretty much any box that has a smaller cubic space than recommended for the subwoofer, they always invert because the motor takes up space. And for 4th order enclosures such as these, inverting them to help with the cooling because there's a sealed section behind this box. So anyway, we're going to get to this 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. Alright. You can put the window back down. This is louder inside here. Alright. It is punchy. It's got that punch.
Yeah.
Can you give it? Do you have anything that plays a little lower, or some music? Like
vibrate spot.
Music. Let me see.
That's something, you know, that's a little windy. That was windy, but like it has a little bit more wind on the low end. I appreciate the demo, man. Wow, this is nice.
Also cool. I got power. Also cool. I just bought it. That's it. I just I got power. I just bought it. That's it. I just bought it. That's it. I just
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.